How to open or create KeyBank online banking account. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then click on the search bar to simply search for KeyBank and then hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here, keybank.com. And once you open up the link, you'll be directed to the official website for this bank. Now, on the top right, you have two options. You can either sign on or enroll in online banking. So if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and sign on. But if you're new, you're going to have to enroll in online banking. Now from here, you're going to have to select if you want to create a personal account or a business account. I'm going to go ahead and select personal, tap on next. And then here on the next step, you're going to have to provide your ATM or debit card to get started, and then enter your SSN or personal TIN number. Click on your debit or credit account here. Enter the last 4 digits of your card and enter the card PIN. And at the bottom, you're just going to have to enter your email that's connected to your account. Now, the next step is to hit on this next option. Then you're going to have to sign a few agreements and then create your login credentials. After that, it will ask you for your identity verification like your passport or your citizenship. Any other government issued ID will be fine. And after doing all of that, your account will be created. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.